feels so right. Left path, right turn, lit cigarettes burn. I'm leading a fountain of fortune. I feel misfortune, I'm scorching. Midnight, cocaine, lit spoon, dope flames, all aroma, all around. Wish that I could get out this town. And there's a volcano, it's in my heart, causing harm. And it's about to erupt, so sound the alarm and get in your car, get real far. And why'd I think that this pain would subside? Strapped in a decade or two in this ride. I'm in plain sight, but I think I can hide it. It hurts so much, I feel that touch. It's been 5 years, shouldn't have touched that stuff, but I love that rush. I should fucking lie, why I'm always getting high. It's only about time until this poor kid dies. There's a volcano, it's in my heart, causing harm.